Hi everybody, I'm Maureen Dinkins and today I will be showing you Parsvatonasana, which is a side stretch pose. It comes after Prasarita Paddotanasana, which is the 8th through the 11th poses in the standing sequence of Ashtanga Yoga, and this would be the 12th. So we do the right side and left side. So come to standing at the front of your mat, starting in Samastitihi. Shoulders down, arms are straight, chin is lifted, and gaze is down the tip of your nose. We start by bringing the hands behind your back. You can bring your hands together like this, grabbing your elbows, or eventually moving to a reverse prayer position like this. From here, you will inhale, step your right foot back, a small to medium stance, turn and pivot and face the back of your mat. And then exhale, fold over your right leg. Legs stay straight, palms stay together, and chin is working towards the shin. Your gaze is to your nose, and hold here for 5 breaths. After 5 breaths, inhale, stand up, turn and pivot to the front of your mat, and exhale, fold over the left leg. Straight legs, chin to shin, palms together, 5 whole breaths. After your 5th breath, lift your head, inhale, come up to standing, turn to the side, exhale, release your arms and hands, and step back to Samastitihi. So I hope that helps you on your yoga journey and your Ashtanga journey. May you go with peace. Namaste.